Alright folks, here we go. Got a Crimson Trace. This is a 4x12 right here, the BDC, the Bushline. I've never tried Crimson Trace before, to be honest. I've never even heard of them until I just came across them. I mean, yeah, they've probably been around for a long time. From the videos I've seen on YouTube, they've been around for a while. I mean, hell, there's all kind of scopes and stuff out there. I remember when it used to, back in the day, when it was, you had Bushnell, you had Simmons, you had Leopold, Nikon, and then Zeiss and Zwarovski. And I mean, there really wasn't a whole lot. You had your Tascos, as your cheap budgets. But yeah, I guess there were probably more back then too, maybe. I don't know, but I guess without the internet. But just giving y'all a quick look. This is going on a 7mm .8. I am putting it on. You're not going to see the whole gun, but I'm putting it on here. All right. It's the lever action. It's the takedown. Had that rifle for a long time. Never put a scope on it because it was a lever action. Just didn't want to. And then I kept thinking to myself, it's a 7mm .8. It's made to reach out. And yeah, I just didn't want to put a scope on it because I always thought the scope was going to take away from the rifle. But we're going to go ahead and put this on there. I have got. I hope. I have right here on the table. That's the rail going on top that we're going to do, but we're going to put that on, sight it out, see how it does. That's the reticle for y'all right there. It's set up for a 308, 150 grain, I think. Blah 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 blah. Not sure. Don't care because it's not a 308 that I'm using. I'm using a sister cartridge that used to be a Wildcatter. Turned mainstream, mainline, whatever. But yeah, a little bit of oil going on right there. We have some slippage, maybe. I don't know, but we'll see. Get it on there and see how it does. All right, folks, here we go. Well, as you can see, this rail did not fit. The holes didn't line up, so like a man, I made it fit. So there we go. That's what I should have went ahead and painted it. I was just like, hell with it. I was already about it taken away from the beauty of the rifle, so now it's been Bohemianized. So there we go. That's the Bushline Crimson Trace. You know what this scope actually really reminds me of is it has like a Nikon feel to it. It really does. But we're gonna see how it does out there. Go get it sighted in and see what it does. So y'all stay tuned.